Okay, here we go. Week 1, Thursday, Daily Geography. And let's take a look at what we have for Thursday. All right. Is Australia south or north of the equator? Australia is right here, and so it would be south of the equator. Is most of South America north or south of the equator? Is most of South America? Well, the name kind of gives it away too. Most of it is south of the equator. All right, let's go to our word problems here. Eliza is making candles. She knows each candle needs a wick that is 4 inches long. She wants to make 7 candles. How many inches of wick will she need? So each candle, so if we have a candle here, the wick is the kind of the middle part that you light and it keeps the flame going there. So this wick's going to go in the middle here. And that is going to be 4 inches long. All right, and she wants to make 7 candles. So we could do 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4, 5, 6, 7. We could add all those up and get 28. But again, later on, as we get better at 3rd grade math, you'll see that this is actually a multiplication problem. Right? This is 4 times 7, which is also equal to 28. All right. Don't want to take my word for it. Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These right here, that's going to add up to 20. Plus these two right here add up to 8. All right, let's head to our daily math and language arts practice. Let's take a look up here. 12 minus 6 is 6. 5 plus 7 is 12. Continue the pattern. 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. And this is a plus 2 pattern. 11 plus 2 is 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. And then that goes on and on and on. So what time is it for number 4? Well, it is a quarter past 9. A quarter past 9. So if we looked at an analog clock, which we're going to get some practice at throughout the year. So here's 12 o'clock, or the 12, the 3, the 6, and the 9. And when it is 15, that means that hand is on the 3, the minute hand that is, and we have used up a quarter of an hour. And then number 5, on a sidewalk along the beach, Jared saw 9 gulls, 3, oh my goodness, what is that? Cormorants, and 6 pelicans. I have no idea what that is. We'll have to look that one up. Extra credit for anybody that looks that up and gives me a definition for it in the send it to me in the It's Learning Messenger app. So let's go ahead and add all these up. 9 plus 3 plus 6 is going to give us 15, 16, 17, 18 birds. All right. Let's head on down to the language, daily language. Which word is spelled correctly? Well, we want the word wanted. All right. So that'll be this one. And then we have, correct these sentences. My dad taked my sister's bike to be fixed. I don't even know where to start with this. There's so many things here. So my dad. We do not want this, so we're going to take out that and say my dad took my sister's. Oh, this one. So it's the bike that belongs to the sister. All right, so the sister owns the bike. So we're going to put an apostrophe up here. So it's going to be sister apostrophe S. That shows ownership. So my dad took my sister's bike to be fixed, period. And now we got that one. He knowed what his homework was. Oh my goodness. There's so many things here. We could say he, not knowed, but he, past tense would be he knew what his homework was, period. Not a big fan of ending that with that, but it would be okay. And then, where does each quotation probably take place? All right. So if you were to hear somebody say, you woke up, so you've been taking a nap for quite a while, and all of a sudden you heard someone say, Julia, may I borrow your eraser? Most likely, you are going to be at school or in a classroom. Most likely. And most likely, if you hear someone say, swimmers, take your mark, set, go, most likely you're at a pool. All right. Or you could even say a swim meet. Oh, misspelled that. All right. Let's take a look at those. Get fixed what needs to get fixed. And let's head on to Minute Math. Minute Math 4. 8 minus 2 is going to give us 6. 4 plus 3 is 7. Use the less than, greater than, or equal to. 31 is less than 43. The missing number, 12, 14, 16, 18. That's a plus 2 pattern. 12 children like blue balloons. 8 children like red balloons. Which color balloon do more children like? It can't be that easy, can it? 12 children. So the blue balloon. All right, 12 was more than 8. Let's go on down here. For questions 6 and 7, circle the value of the underlined digit. All right, so this 5, what this is really telling us, if we look at 15, let's just bring it over here. We're saying this 1, that's 10 plus 5, and that equals 15. All right, so that underlined 5 right there, that's right here. All right, but if we take a look here at 52, that is saying 50 plus 2. All right, so that underlined 5 right there is 50. All right. And then let's see, for questions 9 and 10, circle the name of the shape. Well, we got a circle and we got a triangle. So look those over and make any corrections you need, and we'll be ready for the next one for Friday.